Yeah, I mean, if I start with culture, obviously it's something that's very difficult to maintain when you have a remote workforce and you don't have that face-to-face contact. And we do go to great lengths to try and support maintaining that culture across our remote workforces as much as possible. So businesses are encouraged to support remote workers come into the office at least once a quarter to spend time with the team, and where we can we try and build that around culture events and team social events, just so they have that time to have like some fun face-to-face time with the team they're working with as well. We try and make sure that all meetings that we have are remote friendly and remote first. So even if a lot of the team are in the office, they're all on individual cameras, so you still feel like you're part of the discussion and integrated in that. But it's definitely a worry, and you just do what you can to protect it. Recognizing that remote working is, I think we would probably agree, here to stay. So you have to find ways around that and balance that culture. And part of it comes down to the interview process as well, where we do have a kind of culture or values interview with people as well, to somebody from outside of their business unit to see how they would be a fit. So hopefully they feel part of the culture from day one.